Hello everyone and welcome back to a new video. In this video, I'm going to show you guys how you can exchange shoes on Pandabuy. So if you guys want to learn how to do it, just follow the steps that I'm going to show you. As you can see guys, I'm right now in Reddit where I found a guy who perfectly explained that you can exchange and return your shoes and how to do it. As you can see, guys, this guy asked, can I exchange or return through contacting agent? So I recently ordered a pair of A1 Dunk lows just to find out that the previous QCs showed that the color was way off. When I went to cancel the order, has already processed and is showing purchased. Rather than waiting for the pair to ship and then return, is it possible for the agent to order a different colorway from me just contacting them? The shoe that I ordered and the one I am trying to exchange this with are both from A1. So as you can see guys, this guy answered, hey man, if you want to change, you can contact your agent. If the seller hasn't shipped, you still have this chance to change without waiting time. But if the seller has shipped, you need to wait until the shoes arrive at the warehouse to return or exchange them. As you can see, guys, also this guy said that yes, you can contact your agent. If what you ordered is already at the warehouse, you have to pay the shipping fee to return the item, usually 1 to 2 yuan, nothing special. As you can see, guys, this guy asked him, can I switch them for another pair? He said, yes, you can exchange them for another pair. Just contact your agent. You have to add the return shipping cost. This guy asked him how long does an exchange take. He told him around a week to 10 days. So this is it guys for today's video. Thank you guys for watching. See you guys in the next video.